As to the financial situation, the real challenge is knowledge and openness. Looking for and hopefully finding mechanisms for collaboration, but also improving the quality of our efficiency and transparency. My name is Matthew Hassan Kukah from Nigeria. I'm the Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Sokoto, and Sokoto is the extreme northwest of Nigeria, which is coterminous with the old Sokoto Caliphate, so it is on an over 95% Muslim population. Luckily, we're doing quite a lot in terms of letting the people understand the resources we have, the limitations, and the positive result of that is that we're witnessing an increase in people's enthusiasm. We already have pastoral plans in place. We have already been working through some of these issues. So for me in particular, I feel a sense of vindication. What we are doing, we are on the right path. But again, I've been able to gather quite a lot of information here as to the urgency of remaining on the path of accountability and transparency, not just in finances, but also in managing the people who are really the real asset that we have.
The mainstream is gone.
In my view, every bishop anywhere in the world should be part of this conversation. Hopefully, and through it, every priest, and literally for us as a church, every parish, every diocese should have the benefit of this conversation, because it is very, very urgent. And there is no substitute for transparency and accountability in our public and private lives.